Hi everyone, this time I will show you a Yelp's desktop application and it uses Yelp's academic datasets. My job is to connect the datasets and display the information into the GUI and fill it into the GUI. Let's first see how it looks like. You can see that it has a build.xml in it, and we use Apache Ant to run it. So it will be a little slow. And now we see it has a left part and a right part. The left part shows the information of business, and the right part shows the information of refills. The left part just shows seven the top is seven restaurants, and each have their names, their refills, total number of refills, and their average stars. And the right part shows the highest ranked refill about this restaurant, and you could roll down and roll up to see the content of the refill, and you could see a refiller's name, and if you click on the name of the restaurant, you could be directed to their homepage. Yeah. And if you click on the name of the reviewer, you could see their homepage too. So it's quite a simple application, and it has three buttons below: query 1, query 4, query 5. Each has different functions. If I click on query 1, nothing would change because as I open this application, it will automatically run query 1. So if I query 1 ranks the restaurant by the total number of refills, so you could see that East Side Pockets ranked first because it has 77 refills, and Lucy Burger Bar ranked second because it has 53 refills. If I run query 4, it will be a little slow because I process with massive data. Okay, things will be different now. East Side Pocket still ranked as first, but Duck and Bunny ranked second now. So what happened? Refills now are counted by we just count aliens refill now. What is an alien refill? An alien refill is the one who has written more than 10 refills on any restaurant. So we just count this part of refillers and count the number of this part of refills and rank by this number. So we could see it is ranked like this. And if we run query 5, okay, things are different now. Finally, East Side Pocket doesn't rank first, and Gracious rank highest now. Uh, and all of them it has average stars of 4.5, so it ranked first. Uh, for query 1, we rank them by their average stars. Each style ranked second, so it has shown that it is also has an average star of 4.5. Things are different because the average star of each restaurants are a little different, but it just shows the first two effective numbers. And all these queries have a definition of the location must be in Providence, not in other place in their queries. So that's all the contents of the application. And now let's turn back to the structure of the dataset. To see the structure, we use SQLite Manager. And we could see The schema contains three tables: business, refill, and user. For business, we have a business ID. Uh, with which we could use this ID to direct to the correct homepage of the restaurant, as we click on the name of the restaurant shows like this, and this ID will direct us to their homepage. And same goes to the users ID, user ID. You could see that. You could see that user ID, this part. And if we click on this, it will direct us to this homepage. So for business, we could see each have an ID, and refill has both business ID and user ID, so we could tell who's the user to write this refill, and this refill is for which restaurant. And then let's go back to see the code. It has query one, and we use the Drive Manager here to get connection to the dataset. I put the dataset here, so the path is as shown in the screen. And now we have get a connection to a dataset, and then we use JDBC to write a query, and we use prepared statement to execute the query. And now we get the result set, and then analyze the result set to get a final result. The result is shown as a kind of business object. And same goes to query 2, and query 3, query 4, query 5. Some of the queries are just used to display the information on the application as shown. Mm, I showed about the display of the name and the reviews and the stars also need queries. So that's all about the application and the code. Thank you for filling.